Hey everyone! Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're talking about something really exciting that could change the game for first-time buyers here in the UK. The government has just announced a brand new scheme that lets you borrow up to 40% of your new home's value. And get this, it's completely interest-free for the first 5 years. If you've been struggling to save for a deposit or feeling locked out of the housing market, this could be your big chance. So stick around, because I'll break down exactly how it works, who's eligible, the benefits, and of course, the potential downsides you need to know before applying. Problem set up. Let's be honest, saving for a deposit these days is tough. Property prices are climbing everywhere, wages haven't kept up, and for many people, the dream of owning a home feels further away than ever. That's why this scheme is such a big deal. It's designed to make buying your first home not only possible, but also a lot less stressful. What is the scheme? So, what exactly is this 40% loan scheme? Here's the simple version. The government gives you a loan for up to 40% of the property's value. You then arrange a mortgage for the remaining 60%. The best part? You don't pay a single penny of interest on that government loan for the first 5 years. That's breathing space time to settle into your new home and get your finances in order. Eligibility. Now, who can actually apply? This scheme is mainly for first-time buyers in the UK. You'll need to show that you have a steady income and can manage your mortgage repayments. Priority is often given to key workers, like teachers, nurses, and emergency service staff. One thing to keep in mind is that there are property value caps depending on where you live. London and the Southeast have higher limits, while the North and other regions have lower ones. It's the government's way of keeping the scheme fair and sustainable. How to apply? 1. Choose a property that falls within the scheme's limits. To apply for a mortgage covering the remaining 60%. 3. Submit your government loan application online or through an approved partner. You'll need the usual paperwork, proof of income, ID, and credit history. Once approved, your mortgage and the government loan come together to cover the property price. And boom, you're a homeowner. Benefits. So why is everyone buzzing about this scheme? Well, here are the key benefits. You don't need a massive deposit. You get 5 years interest-free. Things to watch out for. And there is a but. After 5 years, interest does kick in, starting at around 1.75% and rising with inflation. So your monthly payments will increase. That's why budgeting ahead is crucial. Also, property caps mean not every home will qualify, and in popular areas, competition might be fierce. So, while this is a great opportunity, you need to plan carefully. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.